ఎవరేని అనుకున్నా నువ్వుండే రాజాన రాజు నువ్వే పంటు నువ్వే మంత్రి నువ్వే.
Product iCharge. Everybody knows this is a time to charge up. So most of the people have been sitting back at home because of the COVID-19 lockdown situations, and everybody needs to charge up these days. And iCharge is the best product to recharge you. This is very important. Well, iCharge, as you can see on the screen, is a natural rejuvenator for strength, stamina, and stress. It is very easy to remember: for increasing the strength, stamina, and reducing the stress. This is very important. iCharge is a 100% natural energy drink backed with vitality, propelled with the wisdom of Ayurveda. iCharge is a mouth-watering fizz formulation composed of a holistic combination of 80 herbs. Again, I am repeating, my dear friends, it contains 80 herbs, and it is a fizz formulation. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, there is a concept called as immune stress vicious cycle. There is immunity here, there is stress here. So why is stress happening in the body? Because the body is losing its immunity day by day. Again, the concept of immunity came in here. Whenever you lose your immunity day by day, automatically the stress in the body will increase. That is the reason why your body's organs will be stressed up. I would have told this many times in my training programs before. Whenever someone talks about stress, always they will be showing their head. Don't show your head. Normally, the stress happens in an organ called as adrenal glands. Adrenal glands are the organs which are present above the kidneys. There are two adrenal glands in the body, right and left, which are placed above your kidneys. That is where the stress originates. So never show your stress here. Stress is only shown there so far as other medias and other things are concerned, but the stress originates in your adrenal glands only, not here. But don't try to show your adrenal glands. It will not be proper actually if you show your adrenal glands from outside. I hope you got my point. Well, so whenever the body is affected with stress, automatically your immune system depletes. So whenever your immune system depletes, your body will not be able to counteract that stress. So you need something from outside to drink so that your stress will be relieved. And that is exactly called as iCharge. I hope you got my point. This slide is only talking about two important things here. You elevate your immune system, automatically your stress will reduce. I hope you got my point. Elevate your immune system, reduce your stress. This is exactly called as immune stress vicious cycle. Well, going ahead, my dear friends, stress can affect different parts of the body. Stress is not only this. That is why I am showing this important slide to you. Everybody will show like this, or they point out your head, but you see the whole slide here, starting from your headache till the cancer or asthma or high blood pressure, stomach ache, circulation problem, breathing problem, depression. Everything is related to stress, even fertility problems. See, that is the reason why people just show it here, but stress is actually happening in your whole body. This is what the truth is. Well, my dear friends, going ahead, iCharge is a product which contains three major ingredients. It contains three major ingredients which have been traditionally derived from the textbooks of Ayurveda. The three ingredients include Ashwagandhadirishta, Balarishta, and Drakshasava. Ashwagandhadirishta, Balarishta, and Drakshasava. All these three ingredients put together, it is a combination of 80 herbs. 80. It is a combination of 80 herbs. So if someone asks you how many ingredients are there in iCharge, your answer must be 80 herbs. I hope you understood my point clear. So the next important thing is, why choose iCharge? What are the benefits of drinking iCharge? The first benefit is it reduces your stress, right? This is very important. Again, I am telling you, stress is not this. Each and every organ of your body is stressed up. iCharge is a holistic product which reduces the stress from head till the toe. The second thing, it improves your alertness. It improves your endurance and energy. It improves rejuvenation. Rejuvenation means head to the toe rejuvenation. Each and every cell of your body will be rejuvenated. It maintains good eyesight. It improves your memory also. it enhances your memory. I hope you got my point clear. This is what exactly iCharge is all about. Again, I want to tell you one important point, my dear friends, here. Maintaining good eyesight. iCharge also contains a very important ingredient called as lutein. Lutein is nothing but a eye vitamin. It is an eye vitamin which is derived from the marigold flowers. We have added lutein in this iCharge, which is very important for maintaining your eyesight. This is very important. I hope you understood this slide. What is the benefit of iCharge? Well, going ahead, my friends, FAQs of iCharge, the frequently asked questions of iCharge. Can diabetic population consume this? This is very important because diabetic people are prone to tiredness and fatigue. Definitely, my dear friends, iCharge is zero caffeine and zero sugar. iCharge is zero caffeine and zero sugar. That is the reason why you can definitely consume, diabetes people can definitely consume iCharge. Second thing, can BP patients consume this? Absolutely yes. Can school-going children consume this? From the age of 6 years. From the age of 6 years, the school-going children can consume this iCharge. Is iCharge habit forming? Absolutely no. iCharge is not a habit forming formulation or a drink. Can this be consumed before or after food is another question that people normally ask. Definitely yes, it can be consumed either before food or after food, any time in a day, but preferable to be consumed up to 2 to 3 cans in a day. Not more than 3 cans a day, at least up to 3 cans a day, one can consume iCharge so that the benefits of iCharge can be imbibed into the human body. I hope you understood my point clear. Well, my dear friends, so this was about iCharge. I hope you have understood the important point of iCharge. Once again, I want to repeat it here. iCharge is first of its kind formulation in India, which is zero caffeine and zero sugar. This is important. Zero caffeine and zero sugar. Well, going ahead, my friends, I would like to talk about, okay, so don't burn out, recharge yourself with iCharge. This is important. The caption is very important here. Don't burn out, recharge all yourselves with iCharge. Well.